On a warm winter morning, the Amtrak Southwest Chief Train Number 4 leaves the Dalies-Isleta connector and joins the NMRX Albuquerque Subdivision. The Dalies-Isleta connector is a 14.8-mile single-track main line operated by BNSF that extends from Dalles to Isleta, New Mexico. The connector is part of the Glorieta Subdivision on BNSF timetables, although there is no scheduled freight traffic on the line. The only scheduled service on this line is Amtrak Southwest Chief, which operates one train per direction daily. The Isleta-Dalles connector is controlled using CTC technology. It is Class 5 track but is not ATS-equipped, so the maximum speed for the Southwest Chief is 79 miles per hour.